this video, I'm going to help you save that cover that you've been toiling over for days. So, you've decided that you're going to skip the process of hiring a designer and do your cover yourself. Yeah! But then, you open up your project, and then you're like, what am I doing? You're just learning, and I'm here to help you. Your goal with your cover is to pull in readers and grab their attention. What does this not mean? It does not mean that you should put fire and explosions and stuff like that all over the cover of your book. Your cover needs to be an interesting snapshot into your book to show what your story is all about. You can't fit every last detail in there. I would definitely not recommend doing that. So here's where you need to hone in on the important ones. I want you to answer 2 questions mentally as I say them. Feel free to pause the video for more time. Ready? What is your title? Can you give me 1 to 2 situations in your book that show your main character's conflict? This needs to be something that can be understood without text, such as 2 friends fighting or someone swimming away from a shipwreck. You need to answer these questions before moving on with the video. So pause if you need more time. Okay, so now that we're done, we're going to tie these 2 questions together to formulate your cover. Let's say your title is Finding Mo the Owl. One of the conflicts in this book is Mo trying to get away from me by flying, but he can't because he doesn't have any wings. So he jumps in a helicopter. As you can see, the title really relates to the conflict. The cover isn't obscure. On a more serious note, capturing conflict on the cover of your book is a great way to grab people's attention. I challenge you to do this today. Maybe your next step after making your cover is to publish, but you don't know the first thing about publishing, which is why you click the video right here where I tell you why publishing right now is so easy. Thank you for watching, and as always, Mo says to subscribe.